All right, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Urute here, and we're going to go over Unit 2, Lesson 1, Practice Problem number 3. For each object, choose an appropriate scale for a drawing that fits on a regular sheet of paper. Not all of the scales on the list will be used. So here, the first thing that I want you to notice and think about is in a regular sheet of paper, those are going to be inches, centimeters, smaller measurements. And the bigger the object that you're scaling is, the bigger those measurements have to be. So that's what we're going to look for here. You'll see in the first example, right? Part A, a person, usually we measure people in feet, meters. If you look at the scale, we don't measure people in miles or kilometers or millimeters. So for part A, it's going to be inches to feet. So this is saying that when you measure an inch on the paper, you are measuring a foot of that person in real life. Part B, a football field, 120 yards by 53 and a third yards. Notice here, our bigger measurement here is yards, and we don't have yards here. So we have to kind of think about how yards relate to inches. So this one would be 1 to 1,000. So right here, 1 yard on the paper is 1,000 yards in real life. So this one is scaling it by 1,000. So it's going to be a much smaller measurement. Part C, the state of Washington, about 240 miles by 360 miles. Notice here, right? Miles, these are huge. They're way bigger than yards or feet. So that one's going to be number 7. 1 in 10 million. It's a big difference, right? 1 in 10 million. So it could be kilometers, but you have millimeters to kilometers. That's not 1 in 10 million. You're going to see in the next one. 1 to 100,000. It's not going to fit on the paper, right? 240 miles, you would need more than what's on the paper to fit it if it's 1 in 10,000. Same thing here, right? 1 foot is 1 mile. Well, if you want to measure 1 foot on the paper, your paper is not a foot. 240 miles would be 240 feet. So you don't have that much on paper. Part D, a floor plan of a house. So here we're getting something more similar to what we're used to. That is going to be number 2. 1 centimeter is 1 meter. Okay, remember meters are measuring things like houses. They're similar to feet. Same thing, inches and centimeters are similar in sizes. And then part E, a regular farm, 6 miles by 2 miles. That one is part E. That one is number 5. So notice here, right? You have 6 miles, 2 miles. Notice a difference between C and E, right? 6 miles and 240 miles. That's a 100 times difference. So that's why when you look at our scale, it's going to be much bigger than that. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.